welcome to the world of business. I am Clement Yabankwe, and today in our stories, let's start with the business leaders. In the business leaders today, we are going to look at how the Ghana cedis is performing with the three major international currencies we have. That's the United States dollars, the pound sterling, and that's of the euros. So as you can see from the screen, this is 3 months ago. And Ghana cedis was trading to United States dollars at an amount of 15 Ghana cedis, 66 pesos. And as at this morning, it's 16 Ghana cedis, 32 pesos. And the percentage change in 3 months ago is 4.22%. 4.22%. That is with the United States dollars. Let's get that off the euros too. 3 months ago is 20 Ghana cedis, 34 pesos. 3 months ago, and currently is 21 Ghana cedis, 38 pesos. 21 Ghana cedis, 38 pesos, and the percentage change is 5.11%. 5.11%. That of the pound sterling 3 months ago is 17 Ghana cedis, 10 pesos. 17 Ghana cedis, 10 pesos. And currently this morning, the 17 Ghana cedis 93 pesos. 17 Ghana cedis 93 pesos, and the percentage change is 4.85%. 4.85%. Looking at how the Ghana cedis is performing with the three major international currencies, you can attest to the fact that cedis is still depreciating. Cedi is still depreciating 3 months ago, as at today, it's still depreciating. And when things like this happen, it affects the economic stability. That is when people want to import commodities, assuming you imported a commodity that cost 500 Ghana cedis 3 months ago, 500 Ghana cedis, which is assuming equivalent to 50 United States dollars. This time around, you need more Ghana cedis to buy the same thing. Why? Because the Ghana cedis has depreciated to the United States dollars. That's all we have for you on Business Latest on Business Update segment. Let's get into our main stories for today. In our main story, beginning with Finance Minister Dr. Mohamed Amin Adam started the government policies aimed at supporting the private sector are delivering positive outcomes. He highlighted that the 5.8% economic growth recorded in the first half of the year, the highest in 5 years, was driven by the resilience of small and medium enterprises and ongoing economic reforms. According to data from the Ghana Statistical Services, the entrepreneurial strength of SMEs has been a key factor in the country's impressive economic recovery. In our second story, the government has resumed payment on its Eurobond debt following the completion of a bondholder exchange program last week. A total of 520 United States dollars, a total of 520 million United States dollars has been disbursed to Eurobond holders, which includes 120 million United States dollars consent fee for those who participated in the exchange under specific conditions. Market analysts have termed this fee as an incentive for bondholders to engage in the debt exchange program, amounting to $10 per 1,000 United States dollars of recognized principal for the exiting notes. Additionally, the government has paid around 320 million United States dollars to investors, covering coupon payments that were previously frozen since 2022 due to the debt service freeze. This payment was mandated once the debt restructuring deal was finalized. In our third story, the government experienced a slight oversubscription in Treasury bill sales, achieving 1.08% above its target of 4.565 billion Ghana cedis after 3 weeks of underperformance. This improvement follows the International Monetary Fund's approval of the third review of Ghana's Economic Facility Program, coinciding with the completion of Eurobond restructuring.
Method were accepted with approximately 3.88 billion Ghana cedis, or 84% of total bids coming from the 91-day bill. The 182-day bill saw around 500.68 million Ghana cedis in bids, while the 364-day bill received 225.96 million Ghana cedis. Additionally, interest rates on the yield curve rose slightly, with the 91-day bill's yield increasing to 25.61%, and the 182-day bill's yield rising to 26.90%, while the 364-day bill's rate fell to 28.58%.
In our last story, Moody's, an international credit rating agency, has raised Ghana's long-term local and foreign currency issuer rating to CAA2 from CAA3 and CA respectively, citing substantial debt restructuring that has eased the government's financial pressure. This means that Ghana has been rated above its level where it can't fulfill its financial obligation. The agency also upgraded Ghana's outlook from stable to positive, noting that the improved outlook reflects the potential reduction of liquidity risk through ongoing fiscal consolidation efforts supported by an IMF program. This is all we have for you on Business Update segments. I am Clement Yabankwe. Stay tuned for the rest of the show, especially with Miriam Abena Adede and her guest on the lifestyle segment.